Hi, welcome back. In the previous video, we learned about how to put values in different cells. We also learned about how the text and numerical value behaves. Now, in this video, we will learn about how to format these values. Now, I see that these values are left right aligned. So let's make some changes. We will make it mid aligned. Means we put the values in center. These are my headers, so I will use this bold, a control B to make it bold. Now I will increase the font size as well by using this button, or you can use this also to increase the value. Now the time is to fill the color. So now this color is also good, but we can put some more hard colors. So the background has been changed. Now, as we can see, the fonts are little darker, so we will use this, that is font color. Now everything has been done. Now let's put some marker alignment here. So these are the borders. You can change different kind of borders here. That is all for this formatting particular cells. We'll meet you again in next video.